We're little local work, no? More than a wada, or Leonard Pavati party, one in the Nivata Bale, Pavinoka, the Willy, whatever probably local law, local law, the Paracoca, our heavy basic or probably the Pavino, Leonard Pavati. Honorary speech on Catholic Day, date June 14, 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, first and foremost, I would like to salute and congratulate all of the esteemed political leaders of Kadule, including Sabaoji and his loyal comrades, who committed themselves and sacrificed their loved one, their sweat, and their spirit of unity to establish Kadule Day. Their efforts ensure that future generations of Quran will remember and celebrate the legacy of our forefathers who paved the way for our prosperity in Kadule and led a vision to be free from evil. Today, I earnestly call upon all Quran, young and old, men and women from around the world, to take a moment to reflect, critically analyze our history, and consider our present and future with integrity and dignity. This reflection is vital for the Quran people known as Kwaganyopo, Kadulebo, who reside in Kadule. Formally recognized on June 14, 1949, Kadule Day marked 75 years in 2024. Politically, we, the Quran people, Kwaganyopo, should have achieved independence and national self-determination after 75 years of struggle. Sadly, we have yet to reach this goal. Instead, we continue to face political crisis, conflicts, killing, tortures, bombings, social discriminations, and both direct and structural violence in Kadule. Enough is enough. It is time for change, time for Quran national self-determination. We cannot pass down any complete revolution to the next generation. The ultimate goal of our revolution is independence. Without national self-determination, our people will live in fear, worry, and subjugation for the rest of their lives. Today is a crucial day for our Quran people to awaken from complacency and continue to fight to reclaim our land. Let us strive to have Kadule recognized by the United Nations and the entire world as it was on June 14, 1949. The Almighty God, the Creator who has given every nation its land and territory, has also given us the right to experience freedom, to plant, to cultivate, to grow, and to prosper as a nation. Quran people, Kwaganyopo, around the globe, there are key principles I wish to remind and encourage you to uphold as we strive to govern our country. Kadule. Recognize yourself as a genuine Quran people, Kwaganyopo, and think, act, speak, and live accordingly. Do not lose your integrity and dignity as Quran people, known for our love, purity, loyalty, honesty, brotherhood, and cooperative living standards. Understand that the primary obstacle to reclaiming our land and achieving national self-determination are not external military force or antagonistic groups. Instead, they are internal divisions among our own people. Finally, as we celebrate Kadule Day today, let us set aside our past grievances that have caused disunity, discrimination, self-interest, and divisive rule. Look forward to a future with national self-determination, governed with the skills and capacities necessary for growth and prosperity, free from corrupt leaders. Let us join hands in unity, rewrite our new chapter with the aim of solidarity, and remain faithful to each other until we realize the vision of our father Sabaoji, who said, "The recognition of Quran State must be complete." Upholding this slogan, we will pass down a free Kadule to our next generation as our shared responsibility. If we proceed wisely, carefully, and faithfully, we will surely achieve recognition of KwaZulu as a nation of Paganyopo by the world. Thank you, and may God bless you all. Dr. Solwit, Vice President of One Voice of KwaZulu.